So I just got the frame back from the powder coater, and he did a really spectacular job. The quality is quite amazing, but at first glance I was a little disappointed that the color is not what I thought that we had previously agreed upon. But on the drive home I got thinking, the frame's not exactly the focal point of the whole thing. It's more of a background piece. And like any work of art, the background was meant to be noticed, but not focused on. And such will likely be the case here. The focus, of course, will likely be on the very disposable plastics, which are a much more lovely shade of yellow, a little deeper, more of a canary yellow. But I got looking at the seat cover, and it actually pretty closely matches the frame there, so I think it's going to work pretty well. At least it'll work better than my original plan, which was to have it powder coated blue to match the yellow and blue color schemes that Suzuki used to do back in the 80s. I was actually pretty stoked about that until I saw Matt Berger do a RM125, and he got the frame powder coated yellow, and I saw that and I thought, you know, that actually looks better. So I obviously went and did the same thing. So yeah, it's all Matt's fault. Anyways, this should work out pretty well. Should look pretty good. So anyways, one step closer to completion. Time to get back to work.